second most abundant element in the universe. Helium is the second most abundant element in the universe, after hydrogen. It makes up about 24% of the observable universe's elemental mass. Lighter than air. Helium is lighter than air, which is why helium-filled balloons float. It has about 7 times less density than air. Named after the sun. The name helium is derived from the Greek word helios, meaning the sun. Helium was first discovered in the spectrum of the sun before it was found on Earth. Noble gas. Helium is a noble gas, which means it is colorless, odorless, and does not readily react with other elements. It is chemically inert under normal conditions. Low boiling point. Helium has one of the lowest boiling points of all elements, at approximately minus 269 degrees Celsius, minus 452 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it useful for applications requiring extremely low temperatures. Superfluidity. At temperatures close to absolute zero, helium undergoes a unique phase transition known as superfluidity. In this state, it exhibits zero viscosity, allowing it to flow without dissipating energy. Used in cryogenics. Due to its low boiling point, helium is widely used in cryogenics for cooling purposes. It is used to cool superconducting magnets in magnetic resonance imaging, MRI machines, and particle accelerators. Helium-3 and helium-4, isotopies. Helium has 2 stable isotopes, helium-3 and helium-4. Helium-4 is the more common isotope, while helium-3 is less abundant. Both isotopes have unique properties and find applications in various fields, including nuclear research. Helium in Earth's atmosphere. Despite its abundance in the universe, helium is relatively scarce in Earth's atmosphere. It is extracted from natural gas deposits where it is present in small concentrations. Used in airships. Helium was historically used as a lifting gas in airships such as the Hindenburg. Unlike hydrogen, helium is non-flammable, enhancing the safety of air travel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.